Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So in today's video, I'm just quickly going to share how I've been trading volatility 75 and volatility 50. Unfortunately or fortunately, I just entered some trades there. We'll see what happens with this trades, and you can see I'm risking a lot. It'll be fun if I actually lose money right in front of you guys, but in any case, that's part of trading. You win some, you lose some. So how I've been trading volatility 75 is basically with my system. I also use the same system for trading forex. I basically trade supply and demand, support and resistance, whatever you want to call it. That's what I trade. And if you also are interested in downloading my system here, if you're interested in look at what Vix 75 is doing. I love you, Vix 75. I love you, Vix 75. I almost thought I was going to blow the account here, but anyway, I love you, Vix 75. Keep pushing up. So how I actually trade volatility 75, if you are also interested in this system of mine, let me just show you where you can download it. So basically what you want to do is let me first of all, let me just take some risk off the table here. Let's say 190. Let's close that. That's how you take risk off the table. Now we are just playing with the money that the market is giving us, and what we do is we pull a stop loss there and we just put it there just to protect ourselves. But basically this trade has paid for itself. So that's how I trade volatility 75 on the lower time frames, just looking for opportunities. Before I did this, this is not going as I want it to go, so I'm thinking let me just cut it off like that, and let me see I'll explain shortly what I'm doing here, but it should be obvious. If you are paying attention, it should be obvious. Volatility 50, I don't know why it's not playing with me, but let's see volatility 50, because now I'm thinking it probably wants to drop down, but it wants to play around this area here. It seems like it's enjoying playing around this area here. So what I've done is you can actually go to the blog. The link will be in the description box below. You can go to the blog, and where can you download this system? You just come here where it says free forex stock trading downloads. You just click on there. Then if you scroll down, I think you need to go to the next page. Let me just get rid of that. And if you scroll down, there it is. You will not miss it. So I've posted a lot of forex robots and systems to download, and you just come here. I even included a video here with my settings, the settings that I'm using here. With these lines. I've given you guys everything for free. So basically how this system is working for me is I have this system. I've just taken out the thick indicator of these other screens, but it's basically the same system. So what I have is volatility 75, for example. It's actually on the 5-minute time frame. Then I'm watching what it's doing on the 5-minute time frame, but I'm actually taking trades on the 1-minute time frame, if you notice that. So I'm using the 5-minute time frame as my guide, and then taking trades on the 1-minute time frame. So when price comes to my levels here, I'm actually looking for opportunities for price to push up, and as an added tool, to what, to screen trades, I'm actually also using this moving average. It's moving average 5, and you can see also here it's moving average 5. So price goes above moving average 5, I'm now looking for opportunities to buy, especially when I'm coming off my levels. As you can see what it's doing there. Let me just move my stop loss close to here, close to there. But you saw with the initial position, I basically paid for this trade. So now it's just a matter of me just enjoying this trade to see if I can squeeze out some more pips. Again, here I'm interested in seeing what VIX 50 is going to do. Is it going to stay above this moving average 5? And because we're at this level here, and push up. Again, interested in taking that trade, so let me take the trade again, and let's see if VIX 50 will cooperate with us. It seems like it wants to cooperate with us, so let's hopefully see it continue to push up. Hopefully we are not going to lose some money again right in front of you guys, but it's good to lose money in front of you people, so that you know it's not always win game. You lose some money, you make some money. So that's the beauty with trading. It seems like VIX 75 wants to come to test my stop loss there, but I'm not worried about that, because what, I've removed much of that risk. So this is just a trade just to see how far it wants to go. And again, this is 50. It seems like it wants to play with us. If it stays above the moving average on the M5 time frame there, if it stays above the M5 moving average there, then I know definitely on the 1 hour 1 minute, sorry, not 1 hour, on the 1 minute time frame, then I've made a good decision. But if it drops down again here on the 5-minute time frame, then I know these guys want to play with us, and then again I'll have to make a decision to what, to close the trade, because with these synthetic indices, it's very easy to make money, but it's also very easy to lose your money. See what VIX Volatility 50 is doing. So now it wants to take my money again, but it's just $1. Not worried about it. $2. Again, I'm just going to close that trade with a loss. Well, it is what it is. So it's just jumping around this zone here. Maybe let me wait for it to decide whether it wants to stay above this moving average or it doesn't. Then I can take the trade. But now it's jumping again from this level. But let's see. Just interested in this level. And VIX 75, yeah, it looks like, let me just push the stop loss here. Let me just push the stop loss here. Hopefully we reach this level there, then the money that I'm making here is also covering the losses that I've been doing here. Now we're below this moving average on the M5, but not yet. The candle is still jumping around. Let's see what it wants to do really. But so, as I was saying, what I do is I wait for my price to come to these levels or the mid levels. Then from there I can, wow, look at what VIX 75 has done. Let's just close that. Imagine if I had held that initial position all this way, you could have made a lot of money. But the thing is not to become greedy. What makes people lose money in trading is they become greedy, that they lose focus. Now it broke through. Now I'll wait for it to jump around this area here to see whether it wants to go down or it wants to continue pushing up. But the size of this move on the M5 is showing me that yeah, it might be there's still some venom. It still wants to push up, but you can never predict the markets 100%. You must trade what you see. Don't trade what you think is going to happen. Let me sell VIX 50. We've tested here and we've stayed below the moving average. So let's see what it wants to do. Let's see what it wants to do. VIX 50. I've taken 2 losses already on VIX 50. Let's see what it wants to do. If it continues this way, I'll be good. But let's hopefully, because I can see here the price is staying below the moving average, but now it seems that they are just interested in this level here. It seems they're just interested in this level here, but it is what it is. So yeah, this is how I've been trading VIX 75 and VIX 50. I've been trading also volatility 100s as well. I've used the same system for trading boom and crash as well. Of course, you need to tweak the settings. The settings that you are using for VIX 75 and 50 are not the same that you use for boom and crash. Regarding the settings, regarding the settings that I'm using here, I've done several videos already on this channel. Just look for volatility 75 settings on this channel. Again, if you come to the blog, the link will be in the description box below. If you just come to the blog, there was I posted a video already with the settings. So when you download the system, and you go down, you come here. So the system, you can download it here. The settings, you can watch this video and you see my settings that I'm using there. So yeah, let's just go here and see VIX 50. I don't like you today. VIX 50 1S. I don't like you today. You are really messing up my trading today, and you are really messing up my video. But in any case, you guys now get to see what happens with trading. Sometimes it's not all wins, you also take hits. It's just you deciding on when it's enough, so that you can get out of the market. I can see we had a retest here already on VIX 75, but anyway, we'll see what happens if it comes here again. Let's see if we can take a trade. VIX 150s. Let's see what it does. It's playing with me. That's what the market does. It's going to play with your emotions, and it's going to force you to make panic decisions. You panic and you close trades and you get out of the market and you do all sorts of funny things. Yeah, let's see what happens. Let's see what happens now that we are staying below the moving average 5 on the 5-minute time frame. Let's see what happens. Let me give it some time. The thing is, also, don't be greedy. Don't be greedy. Don't say, it's breaking through, let me buy, because it might actually do this and actually drop down. So you really need to be careful at these zones. You need to be careful at these zones. That's why I also am using the moving average 5 to just screen out some of those trades. So yeah, let's see what VIX 50 has in store for us. I've used a very small lot size, thankfully, but it looks like, yeah, it wants to play with us.